Okay, so Miss Ruth will start ya. First of all, I will share screen the LMS of today's learning ya. Okay, as you can see here, the first one is the notebook, and then the course book, and also I have some exercises here ya. So first of all, let's see the note ya. So if you have printer at home, you can print this out. But if you don't have, yeah, you may write it on your notebook or just keep it or download it, yeah, and save it. So our topic today is about adjective. Yeah, adjective in bahasa Indonesia is kata sifat. Yeah, for describing something. So here there are 4 kinds of adjective. Yeah, the first one is adjective of quantity. Now, what is adjective of quantity? It is describes how many or how much the nouns are. Yeah, so it tells about jumlah or total of something. Yeah, so the examples are the numbers. Yeah, like 1, 7, 60, many, some, enough, much, and all. Yeah, so every number, yeah, will be adjective of quantity. And then number 2, adjective of quality. So adjective of quality, it describes the shape, size, or colors of the noun. Yeah, so here you can see the examples. Beautiful, big, small, cold, hungry, sad, thirsty, smart, yellow, black, white, and any other color. Yeah, so describe about the shape, size, or color of something. Yeah, for example, you can describe my shirt. Yeah, what color is my shirt? Is white. Yeah, so white is adjective of quality. And then number 3, demonstrative adjective. It is used to point out the noun. Ya, untuk menunjuk sesuatu. This, that, this, and those. Ya, so only this one. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this one for demonstrative adjective. And then the last is the easiest one, interrogative adjective. Yeah, so interrogative adjective is used to ask questions. Yeah, like this one. What, who, why, how, when, where, whose, which. Yeah, so this one is easy because it is the interrogative. Yeah, the interrogative word. So that is the kinds of adjectives. Yeah, so after this we will answer the exercise first. Yeah, after that we will continue to order of the adjective. Yeah. Okay, so let's see the course book. If you have course book, let's open together. But if you don't have, it's okay. You can write the answer only on your book. Yeah. Course book page 104.
Okay, Miss Rose, one participant have right hand. Yuga.
Okay, Miss. Okay, Hyuga, what's your question?
Tadi malam saya sudah menjawab, Miss.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, so let's answer together. Yeah. So how about the student at school? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So if you don't have the book, don't be worried. Yeah. Nah, so I will tell you how to answer the question. First of all, I will read the instruction. Yeah. Underline the adjective in the following sentences and say what kind they are. Yeah, so we need to underline and what kind of that. Yeah, quantity, quality, demonstrative, or interrogative. Yeah, so number one, I will answer number one first. Sumeda is playing a beautiful doll. Okay, so here, do you know which one is the adjective? Sumeda is playing with a beautiful doll. Okay, Lala. Do you have question? Yes?
Yes.
So, do you know which one is the adjective? Number one?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, what is that?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, good. So we need to underline beautiful. And then the types of beautiful is
Adjective of quality.
good. Yeah, so you can only write quality like this. Thank you, Lala. Good job. Yeah. So student who didn't have the book, yang tidak punya buku, cukup buat seperti ini saja. Number one, quality. Sorry, beautiful. Ya, katanya kan beautiful. Sama dengan quality. Like this. Yeah. So for those who didn't have the book like this, you can write like this. Continue until number 10. Okay, so Hyuga will read the question number 2 ya.
Jawaban nomor 1 itu beautiful, Miss ya?
Yeah, underline beautiful and then write quality here.
Oke.
Okay. Hyuga, please read number 2.
Oke, Miss. What is this? What is this?
Okay. So, do you know what is the answer, Hyuga?
Whose?
Whose, good. Yeah, whose is an interrogative word. Interrogative, ya. Thank you, Hyuga.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, so here also there is the word this, yeah. This one is also, you can underline it, yeah. So whose belongs to interrogative, and then this belongs to demonstrative. Okay. So that is number 2, yeah. So next, number 3. Pipit, can you read number 3, please? Good. Okay. Do you know which one is the adjective here? Those. Good. Those is, yeah, good. Demonstrative. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Pipit. number 3, those demonstrative. Yeah, good. Okay, next, number 4, Gera, please read number 4.
Some things in the basket are rotten.
Good. Okay, do you know which one is the adjective? Some. Okay. Anything else? Rotten. Good. Yeah, so here there are 2 adjectives. Yeah, some belongs to quantity, and then rotten belongs to quality. Okay, so for number 5, I will choose students from the online class, please. Who wants to read number 5? Okay, Chois. Please, Chois.
Ayo, please give me a cold drink. I'm very thirsty.
Okay, so which one is the adjective? Do you know, Chois?
Cold and
Cold.
thirsty.
Good, cold and thirsty. Do you know what kind of adjective is that?
Quality.
Quality. Okay, good. Thank you. So both of cold and thirsty are quality. Yeah. Okay, maybe some students already answered it. Yeah, you can check your answer with the answer here. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Rina kelihatan jelas? Good. Next, number 6. I would choose from students from the online class, please. Who wants to try? Okay, Nata. Please, Nata, number 6.
What time do you leave for work?
So do you know which one is the adjective here?
What?
What? Good. What kind of this?
Interrogative.
Interrogative. Good. Thank you, Nata. Good. Interrogative. Okay, so next, number 7. Yeah, I would like to ask students here to read it. Quinsa, please, number 7. Good. Okay, Quinsa, do you know which one is the adjective? Good. Okay, so the adjective is brilliant. Yeah. Yeah, so brilliant is adjective of quality. Yeah, so it is, the meaning is like, wow, the sunrise is very beautiful. Yeah. So brilliant is the quality. Yeah, brilliant is the same like beautiful, pretty. Yeah. or amazing, gorgeous, awesome. Yeah. Okay, next. Students from the online class who wants to try answer number 8? You can raise your hands. Okay, so Dayu Anika first. Yeah. Dayu Anika, and then Adit, and then Kirana. Yeah. Okay, Dayu, number 8.
There were 20 chocolates in a box.
So do you know which one is the adjective?
20.
20, good. What kind of adjective is 20?
20 is quantity.
Good, quantity. Thank you, Dayu. Okay, so number 9 will be answered by Adit for A, and number 10 will be Kirana for D. Yeah. Okay, so Adit, you can read number 9, please.
This includes all class where I spent my childhood.
Do you know which one?
Yeah, this.
This, good. What kind of adjective is this?
Demonstrative.
Good, demonstrative. Thank you. Okay, and then the last, number 10, Kirana for D, please.
Okay. The old clock on the wall has stopped working.
Okay. So, do you know which one is the adjective?
Working?
Okay, so here, yeah, the adjective is old, yeah. Old. Okay. The old clock on the wall has stopped working. So, working here is the verb, ya. Jadi dia sudah berhenti. Maksudnya sudah habis mungkin baterainya, ya. Run out of battery. Stop working. So, working here is not an adjective, ya. Okay. So, old. Anyone knows what kind of adjective is this? Old is the same like beautiful, pretty, handsome. Yes?
Quality.
Quality. Good. Yeah, number 9 and 10 is on the next page. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is the answers for course book page 104 and 105. Yeah. So how about students at school? Have you finished answering? Yes. Okay. And then how about the students from the online class? Have you written the answers?
Finish.
Okay, good.
Finish.
Okay. So maybe if you miss some answers, yeah, you can check on the LMS because I will upload the answer on the LMS also, yeah. Okay, so now I will explain orders of adjective, yeah. So as you know, there are some kinds of adjective, yeah. So let's see. Okay, so let's see the notes, yeah. I will explain to you about this one. Okay, so here, yeah, you can see the orders of adjective. Ya, ini maksudnya adalah cara mengurutkan adjective. Ya, so as we know, there are so many kinds of adjective. Yeah, like big, beautiful, and then white, black, and then numbers. Yeah, and now we need to arrange it in order. Jadi kita harus urutkan dia secara urutan yang benar. Ya, apakah big duluan, apakah beautiful, apakah color, atau materialnya terbuat dari apa? Ya, jadi ini urutannya. Ya, so as you can see here, the first one is determiner. Ya, determiner is like this one. Ya, the total. Kayak the quantity adjective. Ya, ada an, and the number here, and then her, our, those, that, several, and some. Ya, jadi kita bilang dulu dia ada berapa. Ya, kalau satu bilangnya a book, ya, a bag, some books, like that. And then after determiner, we can add opinion. So opinion here is like beautiful. Ya, opinion is bagaimana pendapat kita terhadap benda tersebut. Ya, apakah dia beautiful? Apakah itu sangat difficult, expensive, gorgeous, awesome, ya, atau mungkin murah, ya, cheap, lawan katanya expensive, atau bisa juga kita bilang misalkan handsome, ya. So that is our opinion. Good mungkin, ya, bad. Okay, so you can see it. And then for the size is like big, little, small, enormous, large, tiny, huge. Yeah, the size of something. Tall, short, long, short. Yeah, that is the size. And then next we can add the shape. Yeah, the shape is like oval, round, square, rectangular, flat, and any other. Yeah. And then age, the age of something. Yeah, you can say it new, young, old, ancient. Yeah, so ancient, the meaning is kuno. Ya, jadi zaman dulu sekali itu ancient, kuno, modern. That is the age, ya, umurnya. And then we can continue with color. Ya, the color of the thing, ya. And then the origin. Origin is where the thing is came from. Dari mana asalnya? Misalkan dari French, British, Italian, Thai, Korean, Chinese, Indonesian, Balinese, and so on. And then next, here is the material. Yeah, material is what is something made of. Jadi terbuat dari apa dia? Apakah dari gold, silver, wooden, metal, cotton, paper, ceramic, ya, ceramic, or glass, ya, dari kaca. That is material. Nah, di sini baru ada purpose. Purpose di sini verb yang ditambahkan in, ya. Sleeping, touring, hunting, dining, and flying. And then the last is the noun, ya. Jadi kita tambahkan noun-nya, bendanya yang dijelaskan apa. So, for example, nah, Miss Rus mau membuat sebuah kalimat tentang benda. Miss Rus akan pilih table, ya. Nah, di sini table. Jadi Miss Rus mau bilang kalau tablenya itu ada satu. Jadi Miss Rus pakai kemudian bisa Miss Rus pilih satu di sini. Size saja langsung, ya. A big, and then the shape mungkin Miss Rus akan tambahkan a big square, bentuknya kotak. A big square. Kemudian Miss Rus mau tambahkan warna. a big square brown, and then the material. Mistress akan pilih material brown wooden table. Yeah, so this one, a big square brown wooden table. Jadi itu urutannya, ya. Kalau Mistress menjelaskan table. Jadi kita mulai dari size-nya dulu. Kemudian the shape, and then color, material, and then the last is the noun. So you can choose ya some of them. Jadi tidak harus semuanya mau diisi. Ya, jadi bisa pilih beberapa saja. Size, shape, brown, wooden, and table. Okay. So now there is an exercises ya on the course book 2. Yeah, so let's see. It is on page 105. Yeah. Okay. Nah, so here number 1 is already done for you. Yeah. So let's see. Mistress also have prepared some pictures for you. Yeah. So you can choose. So number 2 is face course book. Yeah, the same book, course book, page 105. Yeah. So let's see the picture first. Face. Mistress ada gambar face. Mungkin ada yang bisa bantu memberikan order of adjective-nya.
Yes, I think I'm done.
Oh, good dong, bagus. Oke, so kita mulai dari jumlahnya dulu. Ini ada berapa? One. Ya. So one we use a, ya. Okay, and then the shape of this one.
Oval.
Oval. Okay, and then after that, after the shape, the color.
Black and white.
Black and white. Okay, so let's see here. So here we will write an oval, black and white face. Yeah, so like this. An oval, black and white face.
Miss,
Yes,
jawabannya aku bagus tuh berbeda, Miss.
it's okay, Gong Bagus. What is your answer?
I have a new vase. Do you still have that old vase? Yes, I do have it.
Okay. So you need to make like this. Yeah. 3 different adjectives. Like number 1. Yeah. So here we already put 3 different adjectives: an oval, black, and white face. Maybe you can fix it, Bung Bagus.
Oh, this is not my book. I borrowed it from a friend of mine.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Yeah, and then number 2, cup. Nah, so here I have picture of cup. Yeah, like this. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We can tell the color. Sorry.
Color is orange.
Orange. And then how about the material?
Glass maybe.
This one is not glass. Ceramic. Keramik. Ya, ini keramik ya. Kalau gelas biasanya dia bening.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And then Selain itu kita tambah satu lagi, color kita sudah dapat, kemudian material sudah dapat. And then maybe we can add the size. What do you think? It can be small or big. Yeah.
Small.
Yeah. So it depends on you. If you want to use small, you can use small. If you want to write big, you can write big. Okay. So small. So we start with a small. After small, color, a small
Orange cup.
ceramic cup. Okay, yeah. A small orange ceramic cup. Yeah, ceramic. Okay. So number 3 is a small orange ceramic cup. Nah, kalau yang gelas seperti ini dia cupnya kalau gelas. Ya, jadi dia lebih transparan. Ya.
Oh,
Gelas. Ya.
I thought it was a drawing.
Ya. Okay, and then number 4, 3. So just imagine a coconut tree. What do you think about a coconut tree?
A tall tree.
Tall.
Tall.
Okay,
A
and
tall
then
tree.
It's brown and green.
brown and green. Okay, good. And then how about the age?
Age.
We can use new,
New.
or old, or young.
New. Be old.
Old. Old, okay. So which one we should put first?
An
Old.
old.
Okay, so which one is the first? The age or the size? The size is the first. Yeah. A tall,
Tall and green.
a tall, old, and then a tall, old. Okay, what do you want to add? One more?
Color.
Yeah, the color maybe.
A
Oh, yeah.
tall,
Color is green and brown. Yeah, the leaf is green and then the stem, yeah, is brown. A tall, old.
coconuts can be any color.
Yeah. So
Yeah, there's
the,
brown and
Green.
green.
okay, I think this one is enough. A tall, old coconut tree. That's enough. Yeah, a tall, old coconut tree. Good. And then next is shirt, kemeja, yeah. So I have a picture of shirt here. Okay, yeah. So what do you think about this t-shirt? Sorry, this shirt?
Black.
Black, okay. Color is black, and then you can use the opinion. Mahal, misalkan harganya. What is mahal in English?
Expensive.
Expensive. Okay, we can use expensive.
And the
Black.
color is black.
Black. And then the material.
The material is soft.
Okay, soft cotton.
Yes.
Yeah. So we already get 3. And expensive. black cotton shirt. Nah, cotton itu katun ya. Jadi bahannya dari katun misalkan. Atau mau buat silk, cottonnya diganti dengan silk bisa. An expensive black silk shirt bisa ya. Okay, and then the last is umbrella. Nah, I have a picture of umbrella here. This one. Nah, the umbrella here. It's colorful umbrella. Okay, so maybe we can start with the
Colorful umbrella. A colorful umbrella.
Okay, a colorful umbrella. We already got a color. And then maybe the shape.
The shape is
Round.
round.
Not round. Round.
It's circle.
Circle, circle, not round.
Roundy round.
And then the material is from plastic.
Plastic.
Okay, so we can write a circle, colorful plastic umbrella. You can add plastic umbrella. A circle, colorful plastic umbrella. Okay. So these are the answers for page 105. And then for students in school and also online, I have prepared another exercises, so you can see on the LMS, So here it is, you can bring it in, Okay, so the next exercises you can made it by yourself, So you can see here. Nah, ini exercise-nya. Jadi ada 3 exercise. Nah, this one, So here I have give the example for number 1. Here the picture is mug, and then here I want to tell you about the size, the shape, color, and material. So here I made it a small brown orange ceramic mug, and then now you need to describe these 3 pictures, Okay, you can use your imagination, If you have printer, you can print this out, but if you don't have, just write it on your notebook, So next week we will discuss about this one, But before that, I would like to give the example here, The example is this one, small brown orange ceramic mug. Okay, Lala, do you have questions?
Miss, this is a homework or not?
Okay, so this is not a homework, but you can made it by yourself. So please add the opinion. Jadi opinion itu apa, Miss? Contohnya, Miss, you can check here on the note. Di sini ada. Ya, bisa pilih beautiful, difficult, expensive, or gorgeous. Ya, kalau tas biasanya pasti beautiful atau expensive. Atau lawan katanya expensive, the opposite is cheap. Good. Ya. Nah, and
What
then
is origin?
Origin is like where you came from, like the
Yeah.
origin of your ship.
Okay.
Ya.
Say original.
It's not same as
Origin.
original, but
Yeah.
it's the origin is like your origin.
Origami.
Opinion, age, color, material. Ya, so it's already in order, sudah berurutan. Ya.
I know how to make a few origamis.
Oh, origin. Origin is where is that thing came from. Yeah, for example, oh, that is an American. Yeah, you can use your own imagination. Oh, maybe this one from American or from Indonesian. Ya, local crowd mungkin mau buat. Oh, ini pasti buatan Indonesia. Ya, you can add it. Jadi di sini Miss Ru sudah kasih clue-clue di mana clue ini sudah berurutan ya. Opinion, age, color, material already in order. Jadi sudah berurutan dia. Jadi anak-anak silakan nanti bisa dikerjakan di buku tulis atau kalau punya printer silakan di print. Ya. Next week we will discuss ya. Jadi Miss Ru tidak akan memberikan jawaban yang pasti untuk ini, so you can use your word ya. Mungkin ini mau dibilang mahal harga tasnya boleh, atau murah boleh ya. Nah yang ini dressnya juga mau pakai, oh bahannya kayaknya sutra Miss, boleh pakai silk atau cotton atau the other material. Yes, Tugus Nanda.
Di sini dikumpul.
Oh, ini tidak dikumpul tapi dibahas next week, ya. Okay. So that is from me for today's learning, ya. Thank you for joining the class.